Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Before trying to recover the notes, keep in mind that the methods that I will later discuss will only work if it hasn't been 30 days yet since you have deleted them. Otherwise, all your notes will have been permanently deleted by then. Also, you won't be able to recover your notes if you have already manually removed them in the recently deleted folder prior to the 30-day grace period. When you delete a note, it will automatically be stored in the recently deleted folder and will be temporarily saved there for a period of 30 days. Now open the Notes app, navigate to Folders, and select Recently Deleted to recover a note. Simply press and hold on the specific file tab on Move. Then choose a destination folder where you want it restored. You can also create a new folder if you prefer. If you want to recover several notes at once, tap on Edits located at the top right corner to enable multiple selection. Choose the notes you want to recover, tap on Move and select or add a destination folder. This time, let me create a new one. Now type in the folder name and confirm it with the Save button on the main dashboard. You should have an overview of every existing folder. Aside from the Notes app, you can also recover your deleted notes online by logging into your iCloud account. Keep in mind, though, that you can only recover deleted notes from your iCloud account if you have enabled the iCloud Notes on your iPhone. To check open settings, tap on your Apple ID and select iCloud. Then make sure that the Notes toggle is enabled. After that, log into your iCloud account and choose Notes from the menu. Navigate to the folders and select Recently Deleted. Select a note and click on Recover in the toolbar. The Recover notes will be saved back to the Notes folder. An additional tip: if the recently deleted folder is not available, that means there is nothing that can be recovered. Either you have already deleted your notes permanently or you haven't removed anything in the past 30 days. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.